So class 7C, this is chapter number 4, pressure belts from atmosphere, weather and climate. Is there anybody who wants to say something? I see the mics are open, that is why my voice is echoing. Mojit Singh, turn your mic off. Okay, pressure belts. Now we have seen in the previous discussion, we have seen that air pressure is not the same at all places. We see equator ke paas atmospheric pressure is more and at the poles it is less. So this difference in atmospheric pressure creates different pressure belts. The difference in atmospheric pressure creates different pressure belts. Now make a circle like you make it for heat zones. Make a circle. Draw a circle. Draw equator. Draw a circle, draw equator in between. I hope everybody knows how to draw an equator. अब जैसे हम torrid zone define करते हैं, in the same way, please draw two lines above and below the equator. Draw two lines, one above and one below the equator. Label this place as equatorial low pressure belt. I will draw and show you the diagram also. Equatorial low pressure belt. So this is an area of equatorial low pressure belt. Why is this place low pressure? Because equator is high in temperature. So higher a place, thank you so much for responding. Higher a place, lesser will be the atmospheric pressure. So write down the first heading, equatorial low pressure belt. Equatorial low pressure belt. Write down, this place is the first pressure belt, equatorial low pressure belt. Write down, this place is of low pressure. This place is of low pressure because of high temperature. I hope I am clear. This place is of low pressure because of high temperature. अब दो और डिविजन्स बनाएंगे, वन इन द नॉर्दर्न हेमिस्फीयर एंड वन इन द सदर्न हेमिस्फीयर. लेबल इट एज सब ट्रॉपिकल हाई प्रेशर बेल्ट. सब ट्रॉपिकल हाई प्रेशर बेल्ट. रेफर टू फिगर 4.5. See figure 4.5 from your book. Subtropical high pressure belt. Subtropical high pressure belt. Now write down. These places are away from equator. These places are away from equator and that is why they are of high pressure areas. And that is why they are of high pressure areas. Let us see the third one, figure 4.5. The two green layers we have just discussed. Let us now see the next two orange ones. See the subpolar low pressure belts. Write the next heading. Subpolar low pressure belts. Sub, S-U-B. Subpolar low pressure belts. Subpolar low pressure belts. Mohsin Abbas, लिख भी रहे हो बेटा? Aditya Rai, are you writing? Okay. So subpolar low pressure areas. अब जैसे जैसे हम पोलर एरियाज की तरफ जाते जाते हैं, वैसे वैसे सबपोलर लो प्रेशर एरियाज भी क्रिएट होते हैं. सो आप like we reach the low pressure area, like we reach the colder areas, we are reaching the low pressure areas. Right now, due to colder regions, in the bracket write down, but not very cold. But not very cold. We have certain low pressure belts. We have certain LOW, low pressure belts in the subpolar areas, in the SUB, subpolar areas. Change the paragraph. Please change the paragraph. Write in the same heading. Due to Earth's rotation, due to Earth apostrophe S, due to Earth's rotation, deflection is caused. DEFLECTION. Deflection is caused. In the bracket, write down change in direction of winds. What is deflection? Change in direction of winds. Change in direction of winds. Close the bracket and write down low pressure belts are created. LOW. Low pressure belts are created between the tropics and poles. Between the tropics and poles. So these are the low pressure areas. फिर से polar region से थोड़ा पहले कुछ hotter areas होते हैं and these areas have low temperature areas, low pressure areas. What is the reason? The reason is those areas which are hotter, they have the air warmer and warmer areas create low pressure belts. The last one, polar high pressure belts. Check out the purple section. Purple section on figure 4.5. Purple section figure 4.5. High pressure. Write down the fourth point now. Polar high pressure belts. Polar, POLAR. Polar high pressure